Zwiloc ET1010 speaker. Simplex T-bar dual action. Right here we actually have a mystery alarm. Someone please tell me in the comments what this is. I think we have to do the 4th floor right here on this. On the 4th floor, there's another one because it's double. They have an alarm on every 4 floors. Here's another one. And then there's the smoke detector. Not that much far down. Down to the bottom. And now there we have just a junction box for the wiring. Right here we have a rare, I believe, Simplex pull station. Although it's rebranded, I think. Next, we have another mystery alarm and a huge whatever it is up there. Next, going into the pool area. The mystery alarm. And a Simplex pull station. Alright. Going over. So we have another Simplex pull station, T-bar. An exit sign over there. In the cafe, there's a Spectre Riverband speaker store. Though they're closing now, so. Now we'll go check out some of the fire alarms in the forest. Here's the door. So we got to the forest. Okay, the door where we get to the forest has got to be back. Here. Yeah, there it is. Now let's go check out some of the alarms on the force. We'll go check out some on the second. Simplex pull station. ton of sprinklers. And by the way, guys, I wish I had a YouTube channel back then. One time we were staying at this hotel. It was only last year in August. Like the fire alarm went off in the middle of the night, and we all had to evacuate. Got the sprinkler. Let's look for an alarm. There's a smoke detector. We gotta find at least like an alarm or a speaker or something. There's a Simplex dual action T-bar. More sprinklers, a smoke detector, and the elevator lobby. There's an exit sign, because when the fire alarm went off in the middle of the night last year, we had to use these exits from the tiny rooms. There's an ice machine in here. Go to the next floor. Smoke detector up there. Sprinkler, exit sign. Simplex station. And sprinklers. Another smoke detector. More elevators. Not a lot to say there. Ton of more sprinklers. And there's the big look over. So many sprinklers. Let's try and look for an alarm. It's insane how many sprinklers are there. Let's look at those. Well, I've already seen another pull station. Yep. Simplex dual action T-bar. Just flashed. Ton of more sprinklers. And I think we will now go to the next floor, and then we have to go all the way over there for the exit. Even more sprinklers. So, outlet. Not a lot to say there. More sprinklers. A smoke detector. More sprinklers. There's the exit. And another Simplex dual action T-bar. So, go here. The next floor. We're on the fourth floor now, and that's where the alarm is. Start the news machine. There's GFC outlets. Simplex dual action T-bar. More sprinklers, or not even more, a ton. Smoke detector, elevators. ton of more sprinklers. There's probably another police station over there by the exit, and I have supervision. Well, not supervision, but I can see really well. I can already see the Simplex police station over there before the exit. And then we're gonna go to the 5th floor, then we're gonna end. So, and I'll do the rest of the hotel tomorrow as a video. Say hello to the backwards exit sign. It's not backwards, it's just the way up. There's the Simplex police station. Yeah, to the final floor that I'm gonna do today. There's a smoke detector and a pipe. A sprinkler and an ice machine. And a Simplex police station, you guessed it. More sprinklers. And then we'll get some more of the other stuff. Outlet, I don't know what to say. And there's these little vents where there's like a light inside, so it's pretty cool. More sprinklers. Outlet. A ton of more sprinklers. Another outlet. And now let's finish. So, okay guys, that's gonna do with this fire alarm tour video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.